Okay, good morning student. In this session we are learning about the cooling caused by evaporation. See, in last session we learned about the factor affecting the evaporation. So it is a completed. See, in this the cooling caused by evaporation is based on fact that which liquid evaporate. It shows or draws or takes the latent heat of evaporation. It is required the latent heat of evaporation also from the anything which is touch it. See, if you take the, for example, if you put a little spirit on our palm, spirit, what will happen? The spirit is getting the latent heat. It is getting the latent heat. See, this is a latent heat. Getting the latent heat, what will happen? The evaporation of the spirit is rapidly. Evaporation of the spirit is rapidly. We feel a cool. See, ether, petrol, diesel. See, this like rapidly evaporating. See, at the presence of latent heat. See, during the next we have to see the during the hot summer. During the hot summer, we are keeping the water in earthen pot. Water in earthen pot. What will happen if we are keeping this water in earthen pot? See, the earthen pot has a small or minute porous is there. See, the water is sipping outside this light. See, if I touch the air, hot air, what will happen? The air will become a cool. Air will become a cool, and keeping the this water in earthen pot, it is a very cool. See, it is a keeping the cool. Next we have to see the so many members is storing the water in steel vessels. Next, plastic vessels. What will happen? Is there porous? Is there minute porous? No. See, it is that's why the water will become a hot. See, this like earthen pot has a water become a very cool. See, that's why it is a keeping the water in especially summer earthen pot. Next, at many places, especially in villages, people often sprinkle water. See, we have to see the in our area. See, especially in a rural area, they are sprinkling the water early morning and evening also. See, what will happen? The groundwater from front of their homes and during the hot summer or evening. See, it will be bringing the cool air to their home. See, that's why it is a sprinkling. See, next we have to see the so many members is a story sprinkling the water on their terrace also. It will be keep the cool to their room. See, this like doing. Next we have to see the water evaporating. See, water evaporating from the leaves. See, evaporation of the leaves we are calling the transpiration. Trees also and cools the surrounding air. That's why planting the trees. Planting the trees. If a tree is there more, what will happen? Our surrounding, our area will become a cool. Our area become a cool. We have to see the compared to our area, we have to go to the Andhra region. See, Telangana region. What will happen? There is a plenty of trees is there. Paddy crops also is there. That's why it is always storing the water in their area, or plenty of dense forest is there. See, these leaves is a continuously continuously transpiration of water. Continuously transpiration of water. Water is a transpiration. See, that's why their surrounding area is a keep cool, keeping the cool. See, we are calling the this one. Next, we have to see the perspirations or sweating is our body is method of maintaining the constant temperature. See, we have to see the our body also. If you do the vigorously hard work or running, see walking, what will happen? We are getting the plenty of sweat. Sweat glands is a very active, is a sweating along with the salt also, minerals also sweating from our body. See, after sweating, we feel a cool. We feel a cool because of it is a latent heat of evaporation. See, the radiations, the hot radiations or air is perceiving to our body. Our body also has some heat. Heat is producing in our body, and it is removing the minerals plus water from our body. See, that's why, see, so many questions is arising. Why do we wearing the cotton clothes in summer? See, because of cotton clothes, again white clothes, cotton white clothes is wearing because these are absorbing the our sweat and keep our body cool. See, that's why we are wearing the this one. Sometimes we are wearing the polyesters also. What will happen? Polyester doesn't absorb the our sweat. Say, what will happen? We feel uncomfort. See, we are getting the more heat is a trapping. Heat is a trapping. See, that's why we should not wear the these which one? Polyester clothes. See, we are getting the irritation also. See, it doesn't absorb the sweat also. That's why we are not wearing the these polyester clothes in especially in summer. Next, we have to see the we should wear the cotton clothes in hot summer days to keep cool and comfortable. See, a fan. See, fan encourages the rate of evaporation of and sweat from our skin and makes us feel cool and comfortable. See, we have to see that at our home, so it is a fans is there. What will happen? See, if a fans is rotating, see, if we sit the under the fan, see what will happen? See, we feel a comfort because see, it is a evaporation of continuously water, but continuously supplying this cool air to our body, we feel a cool and comfort. We feel a cool and comfort. A fan. Next, we have to see the a desert cools hotter in hot and dry days. See, it is a we have to see that these especially desert area is a especially in daytime is a cool, but night time is a hot. So it is a here we already learn about the sea bridge, land bridge. So it is a cooling and hotting. See this like sea and land bridge. Sea and land bridge. See, it is a getting the cool, hot. See this like we already learn in 7th standard, I think 7th. Okay. Next we have to see the to show the presence of water vapor in air. To show the water vapor presence in air. To show the water vapor presence in the air. Water vapor presence in the air. See, to show the water vapor presence. See, to show the presence of water vapor in air. here to show the presence of water vapor in air. See, we have to see the in our area plenty of percolation tank, river, ponds, lakes is there in our area. What will happen? This water is a continuously evaporating. It will keep the our area is a cool. Say this like the presence of water vapor in the air can be shown by the following experiment. We have to showing the following experiment. We have to take the here is a glass tumbler. See, this is a glass tumbler. Okay. See, this is a glass tumbler. In the glass tumbler, we fill the crushed ice. See, what will happen? This is a crushed ice is there. This is a glass tumbler. See, when a large number of tiny droplets of water. See, when perceiving the water, see air. See, when perceiving the air from this side, air. See, air is a perceiving. What will happen when collide these air particles? This one. What will happen? Here already cool is there. See, this hot air when collide, it will be converted into small droplets, water droplet. See, here is a condensation is occurring. See, water droplets is occurring. See, we have to see the large number of tiny drops of water. See, this like large number of tiny water droplets. Water drops is a forming. See, tiny water drops is a forming. See, this like we have to see that continuously. See, next we have to take the another example. See, your parents is saying you have to bring a aerated drinks, means cool drinks, Sprite, Maaza, Thumbs Up, anything. If you bring these cool drinks from say market or any shop, see what will happen? If you bring and keeping this bottle here, what will happen? See, they are take out from this in a refrigerator. When I bring, see, water droplets is a forming this like. See, water droplets is a forming because inside the bottle it's a very cool is there, very cool. That's why, see, when perceiving this hot air, it will become a cool. Next, we have to see this like number of examples. See, you are also bringing cool water, cold water or ice water. See, in a bottle. See, for bringing, you are keeping the window side. What will happen? This like water droplets is a forming. Because the formation of drops of H2O on the outside surface of a tumbler containing the crushed ice shows the presence of the water vapor in the air. See, water vapor is a present in the air. See, this like water droplets is a forming in this bottle like Thumbs Up bottle. Next, we have to see the glass tumbler. Is it clear? Okay.